UMA is one of the coins that did a fascinating move. In the beginning of February, for 3 days, it increased its value from $11 up to $44. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you what is a realistic price prediction for the coin. Hello everyone, it's Alexandrov and I'm very happy to welcome you to our trading channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any future videos from me. And in today's video, I'll be showing you what is my current setup for UMA. I'll start from a plain chart, taking into consideration the last few months and honestly analyzing hundreds of coins. UMA is one of the hardest in the last few months and especially the last few weeks when the market's been very bearish. Why I say it's difficult to analyze UMA chart is because we have sideways market, we have 3 amazing days and another sideways movement, and we have the drop. Okay, so this is usually not the chart you will see from any coin, but I will do my best to explain as simply as possible how I see it, and I have removed all the drawings from the chart so I can start from scratch. Now before jumping into the price prediction, I want to say a few words about UMA. It ranks at number 95 by the time I'm recording the video. According to the market cap, it has a decent community on Twitter. Make sure to check out always the community before jumping into a coin, because you want to see at least 10,000 followers on Twitter as a minimum before purchasing a coin. As well, have a look at the website and learn more about the coin. The more you know about it, the more you follow the events, the projects, the updates, you will stay up to date with potential gains. Alright, so I want you to take just one sentence from this video, and this is: UMA enables DeFi developers to build synthetic assets. Okay, so DeFi is the purpose for many blockchains. Many have succeeded to achieve it, others not, but I'm not going to talk about fundamentals here. I want to focus on pure price prediction based on what we have so far, and I will do it super simply so you can understand what exactly I'm expecting and what exactly you can expect as well from UMA. Alright, so going back to the end of last year, you will see that before February, so end of 2020 and beginning of 2021, there was nothing special with UMA. Okay, I even didn't know about the asset, honestly. We had the price moving in the range somewhere between $6.50 to $13, and then on 3rd of February UMA was a top gainer on most of the exchanges, because for 3 days it increased its value from $11 up to $44. Okay, if I put the mouse on the closing of the candlestick, you will see that that day closed with a record high of $43.99. So according to Binance, probably on some of the exchanges it was above 44. Alright, so this was an amazing move. Obviously many people jumped into it. I didn't do it, okay, because when we have such moves, we don't know how far it will go, and I can assure you that many people have bought it just on the top and now they're handling losses. What I usually like to do is I'm chasing altcoins where the smart money comes in, and I'm waiting for reversal for the natural pullback, which is always there, to buy it at a cheaper price together with the whales. That's my target all the time. Now unfortunately, the UMA did not make any aggressive moves after these 3 days, and it went just sideways. However, recently in the last few days, after Bitcoin being negative together with Elon Musk's tweets, I'm not going to discuss that, but we had a break below that zone. So I'll be drawing another rectangle right over here, okay, just at these levels, and you will see that during this time the price was just going sideways, up, down, nothing really interesting. Okay, I've been monitoring on it, but I couldn't find any potential buying opportunities until the moment when the price dropped below and actually bounced out of the level of 1150. So 1150 turns out to be an important support level. So I'll put it right over here, and I will just make it a little bit thicker. I will make it red so it's more visual, and I will put it exactly at level 50, and you will see what I mean. Okay, so 1150 was an important level as well when the price was in this box, right? You can see that there was no day closing above the 1150. At just the recent days, the price failed to close below the 1150, so I have placed that level, and actually you can notice that back in September this level was again an important support. Alright, the price was dropping, it bounced, then it broke below, but for quite a few times the 1150 was an important level. So when we have a significant level, I start looking for buying opportunities. Now that's the thing I have on a daily chart. Now let me go down to the hourly chart where we see the chart in more details, and you will see that here is the box. Let me zoom out, and a little bit earlier is the impulsive move, right? So now what I have is a trend line that I can draw starting from these recent highs, connecting it through this high inside the box, okay, inside the rectangle that I did, and then I had one over here, right? But let me show you what exactly I was looking at in the last days and what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so initially my trend line was right through this high, okay, and the price broke it exactly at the 1150, which at that moment was pretty awkward, honestly. Okay, I saw the price dropping below the 1150, so I said to myself, okay, it's going lower, probably I won't be buying this asset. Then it reversed, at that moment it broke the trend line and the support line, which already was a resistance, at the same hour. Okay, you can see it right over here, which is something rare. However, at that time I was thinking, alright, the price broke below the support level, now it's resistance, so I don't want to buy it at a resistance level. Now for the beginners, 1150 was a support for quite many times, as I said, and what that means is that the buyers, let me go back to the daily chart because I want to explain exactly what I'm looking at. Alright, so in this box over here that we had at the end of 2020, at the beginning of 2021, we see that 1150 was a strong resistance level. Okay, the sellers were not allowing the buyers to push through until the 2nd of February. Now when the price is above, this level became a support, right? And when the price is below the level, it means that we can expect this level to be a strong resistance, and the sellers won't allow the buyers to push through. And I don't want to buy at such a moment, okay? I will just zoom it in again. You will see that at this candlestick, at that 1 hour, which is 11 p.m. on the 23rd of May, I saw the break of the trend line, which usually is a buying opportunity for me. Okay, that's trend line that comes from the top, but it's breaking exactly at the resistance level, because at that moment, this level of 1150 was a resistance, okay? I hope it's clear. I have a buy signal, but I have it exactly at a resistance level, so I didn't buy. And you see that immediately after that the price went sideways. After that it did some bullish move, reaching up to $15, but at that moment I didn't buy for a second reason. I didn't have a higher low. So usually when I'm using the break of a trend line, I want to see a higher low first. I want to see the price forming a higher low, which shows that we might have a new uptrend on the hourly chart. Anyway, if I buy it right in this moment, it's just series of lower lows and lower highs, which is the definition of a downtrend, and I don't want to buy in a downtrend. I want to buy at the beginning of the new uptrend. So now the price went higher, and I'm looking now at the new buying opportunity, which comes right at this moment, right at the time I'm recording the video, but again the same thing happens, right? I have a lower low than that one and I have lower highs. So I want to see a higher low before breaking the trend line. So if the price reverses now and it forms a higher low, and if then we have an impulsive break, I'll be happy buying it above the support level. Okay, this is my system, so I'm strict to it. If I want to see a higher low, it means I won't buy without it. It's a confirmation that worked very nice for me. It simply means that the buyers are stronger than this moment. Okay, hope that's clear. So this is what I'm looking at, buying it above the 1150, break of the trend line and a higher low. This is the system that I explain in details in my cryptocurrency investment strategy course. I'll be putting a discount coupon in the description below if you want to learn my trading system in details. So if I have the opportunity to buy with my system, what are the targets that I'm looking at? And I'll be going back to the daily chart. So realistic target would be to sell the coins somewhere at $32, right? Anywhere above the 30 will be fine, because you can see that the price failed to close on the daily chart above the 33, or let's say above the $34. There was a break up until to the 44, but there was no day closing above the $34. So I'll be happy selling the coins anywhere between the 30 at the $33 in this zone. Now usually what I do is, if I purchase the asset here, let's say I'll be buying 100 coins. If the price reaches this zone, let's say something like that happens, I'll be happy selling 50 of them, okay? Selling half of them. And the rest I will leave for chasing higher targets. And how do I determine them? With Fibonacci, which gives us not just retracement levels, but potential target. So I usually take the most recent impulsive move, which is this one over here. I draw it to the lowest point, which is right over here. Okay, as you see that Fibonacci gives us retracement levels, but as well it gives us potential targets, and we have 4 targets with Fibonacci, but I'm usually taking the second one, and in this case it sits at $104.97, so we can say $105. So one more time, this target is based on this impulsive move. The Fibonacci is a very interesting indicator. I don't want to explain it in details, but it gives us retracement levels, which worked really nice actually in this case, but as well it gives us potential targets based on the move we had. This is very logical when we don't have anything above the record highs, right? So one last thing here, keep in mind that 100 is a very roundish number, and the round numbers always play the role of resistance levels, and in this case I'll be happy taking profits right below the 100. Okay, so anywhere between 95 and 100 would work best for me. I'll be chasing these targets if I purchase the asset one more time according to my system. If I don't have the confirmations which I have explained, then I'm not buying it. Alright, I'll be looking for new buying opportunities. If the price drops lower, that's even better. Buying it cheaper would be even better for me. But these are the targets that I'll be looking at. First one, the zone between 30 and 33. Second one, the zone between 95 and 100. So I personally think that there is a huge possibility for the price to reach the $100. I'm not taking into consideration the market cap, the coins into circulation. I'm talking about pure price action trading. If the price did such a move in 3 days, guys, it will be super easy for the price to do another impulsive move up to the $100, okay? Because at that moment probably no one was expecting 44, right? It was trading somewhere between $6 and $30 for quite a long time, and then one day, boom, 44. in 3 days actually, right? So I don't see any issue reaching to the $100. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be super happy to see a like from you to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future videos from me, Petko Alexandrov. Take care and enjoy investing on the crypto market. Cheers, bye bye.